Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Rust in your computer and to create your first ever Rust application. And to do that, I'm now in the Rust documentation here. So first of all, I will go with that installation guide. Here with the device specification, it will show us the which one you need to download. So I'm using that Windows, so it's coming with a recommended, and my one is a 64-bit, so I just need to download that one. And if you're using the Linux or if you're using the Mac OS, it will give you that download setup. Just need to download and then configure this. So if I go back to my downloads, you can see here is my Rust in it. So simply I need to run. So I already run it, I have that in my machine. So you just simply go and run, and it will be the same specification. Just follow the guideline and it will save the purpose. So let's go back here, and this is my build folder. So I will just open my terminal here. So let's see what is saying after installing that, how actually I can check. So to check that one, we need to just check with that Rust version. So let's put that. Now I have that version. So whenever you are installing the Rust, Cargo also coming along with that. So I will also can check with that Cargo version. You see, so Cargo is the Rust package manager, so we will go with that both specification. So now let's go to the documentation and how actually we can create our first application. So I will go with the read the book. Here in the book, so first installation we have been done, so we will just create that hello world application. So as you see what is saying here, we need to create a directory, and then we need to go inside that directory, then we will do the other things. So first thing first, let's put that, I will create that similar name, hello world, and now let's go with that cd hello world, and I will open it within my VS Code editor. So after opening here, what actually is saying, what we need to do is that we need to create a file name with that main.rs. So that will be the file name. So let's create that main.rs. Now within that file, I need to just put that one. So it will be one for to creating the function. I will just align with that. Okay. I think that looks better. Okay. So now I just need to, you can copy that, or I will just write that one. So it will be the function for the functional command. The name, it will be the main function. So every Rust application, there will be main file which consists a main function. So now I will just make that a print line. So it will be print line, and here, okay, I will make with that hello world. Okay, so that thing is done. So now how actually we can run that one? To run that one, simply which we need to do is that what is saying here, we'll make that our Rust C, then main.rs. Okay, so now it gonna opening with that one. And now also for the Windows, as I'm running the Windows, I need to run that main.exe file. Okay, as you see, hello world is printed. And also if we go back here, and if we go back you see there's hello world is already here. So that's the way I can actually go through that. But what if I want to inject another function here? You can just simply do it with that. If I just write that another function. Okay, so now I need to call that function. How I can call that? So it will be another function, and the similar, it will be first fn and another function, that the functional command, and then I'll just make that print line, and it will be from another function is running. So let's see if we run that the similar way. First I'm gonna make that Rust main.rs, then I'm gonna put that main.exe. As you see, both is working fine. So now here is the thing. So that's the way actually we can do it. But there is another portion is the cargo bundler, which actually pretty much helpful once your application is getting bigger and you are handling much more case scenario. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back here, I'm gonna remove that one, because we will not use that, we will use the cargo. So remember, already I checked the cargo version, so just cross check if you have that cargo installed or not. So it will be cargo dot version. Okay, what's wrong with that? Okay, so I need to go back here because I don't have anything here. So cargo version, okay, similar way. So now what I need to do, I need to just create that, no need to create any like the directory. I can just simply run that cargo new, and then that's the name of your project. You can put the hello cargo or you can put anything here. So create that, and now if we put ls, let's cd hello cargo, and I will open the similar way with the code editor. So what actually I am having here, now I'm having here one source folder, and within the source folder I have that main.rs, and then I have the target folder, and also I have the cargo log folder. So it's a pretty much so many things happening. So I will just go with that, with the cargo log main file actually. So in the main file, so what actually we can do here, the similar way that hello world is already here. Now how actually we can see that? Now we can see in a various way. First of things is that we can make that cargo build, so it will build our application, and after cargo build we can actually getting with that to run our application. So if we just paste it here, you see hello world is printed. Now we can, there is another solution with that. So every time we can do with that cargo run, and that also will run our application. And if we want to do the same thing like previously we have been done, another function, so we can also do it here. Similar parameter, fn another function, and then we're gonna just print line, this is coming from another function. And now instead of the build, we can just make that cargo run, and it will optimize everything, then it will do it. So that's the simple way how you can actually go familiar with the Rust and can install and run a first ever application in your machine. Now if you feel that you want to learn more about Rust and you are loving, because Rust one of the most beloved language among the programmer, so if you want to learn more of the Rust, let me know in the comments below, because I'm gonna go with a bunch of properties with that and put a tons of videos that how actually you can create Rust and how actually you can build Rust application in your machine. So if you needed something more, let me know in the comments below, and I'm gonna see you in next video.